Commenting directly in the 3D design, available with business workspaces, is a great way to collaborate and get feedback that is fast and precise. Ideally, the person leaving the comments should not be able to make any changes to the actual design, but they should be able to comment. To invite someone to your workspace, copy the invitation link and send it, making sure to assign a viewer role for them. With a viewer role, they won't be able to make any changes, but they can inspect the object and leave comments directly in the scene. Let's take the viewpoint of a member with a viewer status who is asked to provide feedback. They can access any project in the workspace they are invited to. With view-only status, they can interact with the model and easily share their input. Once the member with editor status opens that project, they can access the comments and reply, making the feedback loop fast and organized. Thanks for watching.